Hey everyone, welcome to Home of Math. Today we are solving 4 linear equation from easy to extra hard. Can you solve them? Let's find out. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's go. First, easy. Okay. Solve for x where 2x plus 5 equals to 11. So we can write like this: 2x plus 5 equals to 11. So 2x equals to 5 will be transferred to right side. So 11 minus 5. So 2x, 11 minus 5 means 6. So once we divide both sides by 2, x equals to 3. Okay, this is our first question answer. Answer 3. Now medium level. Medium level. Here is also we will try to find out the x. So here is 3 times under bracket 2x minus 4 equals to 5x plus 6. So this one we can write 3 times 2, it means 6x minus 12 equals to 5x plus 6. So we can transfer everything to similar. So 6x plus 5x equals to 6 plus 12. So here is 6x plus 5x means 11x equals to 18, right? So now we can divide both sides by 11. So x equals to 18 divide 11. So this is our answer. So we can write here 18 divide 11. So one more thing, this is an improper fraction. If you want, you can make this mixed fraction like 1 7 divide 11. This is also our answer. So you can change or you can want anyone, right? So 1 7 by 11 is our medium question answer. Now we will go for hard one. Hard. So here is 2x plus 3 divide 5 minus x minus 2 divide 3 equals to 1. So we will find out the value of x. So this one we can make a LCM. So 15 is our LCM, 5 and 3. So 15 divide 5, it will become 3. So 3, and here is 2x plus 3 minus 15 divide 3, it means 5. So x minus 2 equals to 1, right? Now here is 15. So 3 times 2, 6x plus 9, and here is minus 5x and minus plus 10, right, equals to 1. Now we can multiply both sides by 15. So we can write here is 6x minus 5x, so only x, and 9 plus 10, it will be 19, and we can write here 15. Why? Because we can multiply both sides by 15. It means 15 and 15 out, and here is 15. Okay. Now x equals to, here is 15 and plus 19 will become minus 19. So our answer is minus 4, and this is our answer. Extra hard level where solve for x. So this one, 4x minus 5 divide 3 plus 2x plus 7 divide 4 equals to 3x minus 1. So we can write in here, right? So 3 and 4 LCM is 12. So 4 times 4x minus 5 plus 3 2x plus 7 and equals to 3x minus 1 divide 2, right? Then here is 12. So 4 and 4 times 16x minus 20 plus 6x plus 21, and then here is 3x minus 1 divide 2. Okay, and look, 16x plus 6x, it means 22x, and minus 20 plus 21, it means minus plus 1, right? 21 is a larger than 20, and divide 12 equals to 3x minus 1. Now cross multiplication. Okay, so 12 times 3x minus 1 equals to 2 times 22x plus 1. Okay, so we can do one thing. Look, 22 times 2 is a 44, and 12 times 3 is a what? 36. So we can out this one, and carefully, or it's a common sense, we can write 2 times 22x plus 1 times 12 3x minus 1. It will be easier for us. So 44x plus 2, and here is 36x minus 12, right? Now look, 44x minus 36x equals to minus 12 and minus 2. So it will become 8x, and here is minus 14. Okay, so minus 14. So we can divide both sides by x. So 8, so minus 14 divide 8. We can simplify. Once we divide by 2, here is 7 and here is 4. So minus 7 divide 4, and this one we can write minus 1 3 by 4, and this is our answer. Okay, minus 1 3 by 4. So our answer is minus 1 3 by 4. Okay, very simple, very easy, but very important. So this video we are trying to solve linear equation based on easy to extra hard level. I hope these kinds of math will help you for any kinds of competitive examination. No more today. Please subscribe my channel and share your think in the comments box, and also share with your friend. Thank you.